Okay, so first you're gonna part the hair in the middle. And my aunt, she has silky, her hair is more on the silky side, so we use Eco Styling Gel and it worked fine for her, and we used a little bit of Got2b at the end just to put the mold together. For the mold, you can use beeswax, edge control, anything that really holds your hair together for your ponytail and doesn't leave it like too oily. Edge control is really good. So I'm not finished yet. I'm still brushing it down, but after you put the Eco, it should look something like this. Once you have your mold, you want to go ahead and start doing the edges, make your swoops. I know me, I'm like the edge queen. I love adding my swoops. I do that with some edge control. I use my Ebin, which is like my favorite, and then I spray like a little bit of Got2b on the edges just to keep them in place. Alright. So now we're gonna use the hair. We got the mold. The hair, it comes with a rubber band, the type of hair that I have, and you're gonna need this rubber band to put it on the ponytail. You put it around the ponytail, and I'm gonna show you guys in a minute. So I'm gonna put the rubber band around her real hair like this. Let's wrap it around like that. Now part the hair in 3 parts and then take out a piece of the hair to leave to wrap it around at the end like that.
What you saying? I can make it look wet.
It's not gonna be pretty. It's gonna be perfect.
Maybe she tried to play my hand in the beginning of the video. Now she's like,
yeah, I like this.